Welcome to stellar space. Here, you can see the huge molecular clouds called nebula, and the gas, which are massive enough that its own gravity causes it to start collapse. It folds in itself and the center of the cloud gets denser and denser, and hotter. Eventually, the particles of dust and gases are brought so close to each other that they undergo fusion, and that where the energy generated that powers the star. Here, you can see the glow in the center of the clouds. This is your star. Your star is ready. Now, it's time to build the planet.
Hello everyone. Thank you to everyone who voted for us. With your support and our hard work, we have won the NASA Space Up Challenge. Thank you for your love and support. And thank you.